Hi, I'm Kim and I'm with Choosy Brand. Thanks for joining us. We're going to go over the Affordable Connectivity Program. The ACP program is an FCC program to help families and households struggling to afford internet service during the COVID-19 pandemic. We have an important emergency broadband benefit program update. That's what it was called beforehand, also known as EBB. Congress recently created the Affordable Connectivity Program, a new long-term $14 billion program, which is going to replace the Emergency Broadband Benefit Program. This investment in broadband affordability will help ensure we can afford the connections that we need for work, school, healthcare, and more for a very long time. I encourage everybody to check out the fcc.gov/broadband benefit website in order to get more information. This new benefit is going to connect eligible households to jobs, critical healthcare services, virtual classrooms, and so much more. I'm sure you guys can see how fast our world changed due to the pandemic. The Affordable Connectivity Program will provide a discount of up to $50 per month towards broadband service or $75 per month for households on qualifying tribal lands. Eligible households can also receive a one-time discount of up to $100 to purchase a laptop, a desktop computer, or a tablet from participating providers if they contribute more than $10 or less than $50 toward the purchase price. Qualifiers. So I'm sure you're wondering how how customers can qualify for this program. A number of different ways: assistance programs, school lunch programs, and COVID hardship. For assistance programs, if someone has an income that is or below 135% of the federal poverty guideline and participates in certain assistance programs such as SNAP, Medicaid, or Lifeline, or they've received a federal Pell Grant during the current award year, they would qualify for this. For children, if a child in that household is receiving and participating in the free school lunch program or also the school breakfast program that's provided through the USDA Community Eligibility Provision Program, then that household would qualify for this as well. And one added feature, COVID hardship. If you've experienced a substantial loss of income due to job loss or furlough since February 29th of the year 2020, that household had a total income in 2020 of below $99,000 for single filers or $198,000 for joint filers, they also qualify for this program as well. Now, how do we get this benefit into the hands of our qualified consumers? We have 3 ACP delivery options. Our first one that we're going to start with is the smartphone. We provide unlimited talk, text, and data using the T-Mobile nationwide network. We provide a free standard device. It is available to that customer at the point of enrollment. We do have upgrade options, including iPhone and Samsung Galaxy phones. It is a real-time activation. There's no payment up front, so the consumer does get the device right then and there with our ACP Navigator. There is no monthly payment for as long as the customer continues to qualify for this. Our second option is going to be tablets. Our ACP navigators will be going through the enrollment procedures, and with the tablet, the consumer gets unlimited data on all major carrier networks. There is a one-time payment of $10 for an upgraded cellular-enabled tablet, and that real-time activation and fulfillment is just the same as the smartphone device. There's no monthly payment for as long as the customer continues to qualify. For residential ISP, this is our third option, guys. Our ACP Navigator is going to go through the qualifiers and go through enrollment with that customer. And for residential ISP, ISP is short for Internet Service Provider. We utilize companies such as AT&T, Comcast, CenturyLink, Verizon, Frontier, Earthlink, Windstream, and Spectrum footprints. The list goes on. There is a $50 credit that goes towards that monthly internet bill on all qualifying ACP plans. There is a reduced or waived installation fee and also a credit on any deposit requirements for anyone qualifying for this benefit. So for example, with that $50 credit, if you are receiving a $80 bill for your internet service each month and qualify for ACP, you're going to get a $50 credit, and that reduces your bill to $30 a month. You'll still be paying any applicable taxes on that bill, but it will be reduced and helping with that cost for you. Our growth potential. We hold regular workshops and conferences that we make available for all of our ACP navigators, also known as our ambassadors. With an eye towards servicing all entitled beneficiaries, we focus on developing skills and knowledge for all that are looking for opportunity growth. With a massive undertaking of activating millions of qualified recipients, we are constantly adding to our management team, and we prefer to promote from within. Of course, we do have opportunities for people that are new to our organization with stellar management and team leader experience, and we obviously want to talk with those as well. The ACP currently has funding for the next 5 years, so this is long term. We are constantly expanding our efforts nationwide. So if you are new to community service and looking for a part-time job, or if you're a seasoned ambassador that is familiar with this type of program and you're looking for advancement and growth, or you're new to opening up new markets, we've got a home for you. Hey folks, we're almost done. Hope you're still with me there. So this is a really informative site. I welcome you to go and copy and paste this website for the enrollments by state. It'll give you just a really good idea of the size of this program and how it benefits several households throughout the U.S. These numbers are as of November 21st. We have nearly just over 8 million consumers that have taken advantage of this. So we've definitely helped out a lot of people reducing their internet cost or getting internet for free that allows them to stay connected with the world while we're going through these times. And of course, last but not least, ChoosyBrand.com, a provider of this program. We provide this to the community and also have openings to provide people with opportunities to help out their community and make money while doing it. So we encourage you to apply to be an ACP navigator. Go to ChoosyBrand.com. You're going to scroll down and look for job seekers and hit apply now. One of our hiring managers will contact you after you've submitted your application within 24 to 48 hours.